My name is Chris. I'm the Rusty Caveman. Hey, my name's Chris. I'm the Rusty Caveman. Well, it's evening on Friday, and it's going to rain all weekend, so I figured I would go ahead and start the weekend video now. This is where I'm at. It only goes a little ways into the barn, not much. It's soupy. But there used to be a hump right here that we had to go up on with the vehicles. I managed to cut that out and get the gravel down. Where the white car is sitting now, that's never been gravelled. It's always been a soupy mess, so that's now gravel. And in front of our warehouse is this little stretch running through here is it's a little divot, little ditch, and we were always walking around a couple inches of water, so I just dumped some gravel there. But this is where I'm at. That little tractor does a fantastic job. So that's how far 20 tons of number 4 gravel goes. On Monday I will have another load of 20 delivered, possibly 2 loads if they can fit it in. And pretty much all of that is going to go in to the barn to build the pad on the barn. And once the pad's built and the door's up, then we can start moving stuff in there. And then I can make a trip to Lowe's and I can get the wood that I need to make the deck in the back, which will become the workshop and the office. Step by step, piece by piece. It's getting there. In the back of the truck is a big box. Sherry and Eli made a trip to Harbor Freight up in Circleville and picked up a 10 by 12 greenhouse, which will replace Dad's little mini greenhouse. And that part of the project is also bringing the shed that's about to fall over to beside the garden, put the greenhouse on the back of it, and turn that into Dad's potting shed. That shed needs a lot of repair. But that's pretty much where we're at. I did notice at the end of the driveway, they scraped our road today. And at the end of the driveway, there appears to be a little bit of a hump. So, looks like I'll need to jump back on the tractor and fix that hump. It won't take much. As you can see, this part of the driveway looks muddy, but there's a pretty solid rock base under it. So, it's fine. Anyway, so that's where we are with the barn project. This is the beginning of phase 2. Pretty much the driveway repair. And stabilizing the ground so that we can actually get into the barn, along with being able to dump more loads of stone. Yeah, I think it's going to be 40 tons of number 4s. Will be the next thing that I move. Well, this video is short. Appreciate you watching. Hopefully you're enjoying this journey as much as I am, especially this project. I'm looking forward to it. Thank you all for watching. Y'all have a great day.